In your previous class, we have discussed about some internal organs, human body, and a system, that is respiratory system. How does it take place? How does respiratory system work? Okay. In today's class, we will discuss about some pollution like air pollution, understand? And we will discuss about deep breathing. Now what is this? Open your book and read it with me. Deep breathing. Deep breathing is a simple exercise which ensures that more oxygen is taken in during inhalation. We all know that oxygen is very important for us. We cannot live without oxygen. So we inhale oxygen. Understand? So deep breathing is a simple exercise. It is a type of exercise which ensures that more oxygen is taken during inhalation, which will ensure that we can take more oxygen during inhalation. Understand? It practiced during yoga or meditation. We have to do yoga and meditation. Okay? The following are some advantages of deep breathing. It helps in getting rid of harmful toxins from the body. Deep breathing helps us to remove the harmful toxins from our body. Like we exhale carbon dioxide. Understand? It helps in reducing anxiety and stress. Deep breathing is very important for removing the anxiety and stress. Nowadays, there are very stressful situations. So we have to do yoga and meditation to get rid of this anxiety and stress. Understand? It helps in relaxing the body and mind. Meditation is very important for relaxing our mind. Okay? Now, what is the process of deep breathing? Okay, so sit down comfortably on a mat. First, you have to sit down on a mat comfortably. Slowly take a deep breath in through your nose. Let the air completely fill your lungs. First, you have to take the air inside your nose like this. Okay? Let the air completely fill in your lungs. Okay? First, you take the air inside your lungs. Understand? At the same time, let your belly expand by a few inches. Same time, you have to expand your belly. Let the belly expand for few inches. Okay? This allows the lungs to expand completely. When you expand your belly, it allows your lungs to expand completely. Next, try to breathe out fully. During the exhalation, the expanded belly will collapse and go in. When you exhale the air, your expanded belly collapse and go in. Understand? In this process, your lungs contract fully and all the air is exhaled. So this is the process through which all the air, toxic substance, remove from our body. So this is the basic process of deep breathing. Now we will discuss about air pollution. Now what is pollution? Pollution is the addition of harmful substances into our environment, making it dirty and unsafe for plant, animal and human being. Whatever which is harmful for our environment, for us, for plant, that are called pollution, which make our environment dirty. Okay? The harmful substances that gets added to the environment are called pollutants. Like so many harmful substances that present in our environment which make the air impure, okay, which make our environment impure, that are called pollutants, like dirt, dust, germs. Understand? These are pollutants. When these harmful and undesirable substances are added to the air as a result of different human activities, it is called air pollution. When these harmful substances get mixed into the air, this can cause air pollution. Okay. Cause of air pollution. The following are the some of the causes of air pollution. Here are some causes given below, which you can also read. These are the cause of air pollution. Smoke as well as harmful gases containing particles of dust and heavy metals released by industries and factories. Nowadays, there are so many industries, factories release so many harmful gases in air, and this can cause air pollution. This cause air pollution. Okay. Harmful gases and chemicals released from vehicles. There are so many gases released in our environment by vehicles. It gets mixed in the air and cause air pollution. Okay. Smoke released due to burning of solid waste such as garbage, rubber, tires, crackers and wood. Smoke released by burning all the substance get mixed in the air and cause air pollution. So these are some causes of air pollution. Okay. Now harmful effect of air pollution. Air pollution has several effects on living as well as non-living things. Air pollution can cause many effects on the life of living thing as well as non-living thing. It can lead to respiratory disease such as asthma and lung cancer. There are so many diseases caused by air pollution such as asthma and lung cancer. These harmful diseases are caused due to air pollution. It can cause breathing problems, coughing, dizziness, watering of eyes, and irritation in throat and nose. Okay. It can harm plants, crops, and even monuments and buildings like Taj Mahal. So air pollution harm all of them. Excessive air pollution change the climatic conditions throughout the world. Now reducing air pollution. How we can reduce the air pollution? Because we have to purify our environment. It is very necessary for us, for our future generation, for our elders to make our air pure. Okay. So there are so many ways through which we can purify our air. Air pollution can be reduced in the following ways. We have to plant more trees because trees absorb the harmful substances of the air and give us oxygen. And nowadays oxygen is very important for us. Everybody wants oxygen. So oxygen is very important for our life. So we have to plant so that we can get pure oxygen. Okay. The plant and tree present in our neighborhood, we have to take care of them. We do not cut the trees, we do not cut the plants. We have to plant more trees, more plants. Understand? So that we can get pure oxygen, pure air. Now avoiding burning any waste product. We do not have to burn waste product because waste product, the smoke of waste product cause air pollution. We do not throw the garbage everywhere. We have to put the garbage in the dustbin. Okay. Now use bicycle or public transport as much as possible. Like if you have to go to school which is not very far from your home, you can use bicycle. Okay. Bicycle do not cause air pollution. So as much as possible use bicycle for traveling. Okay. Also use non-polluting fuels in your vehicles and get them checked regularly. You have to use, or you have to tell your parents to use non-polluting fuels in your vehicles and get them checked regularly, so that you can make our environment pollution free. Okay, because we have to make our environment pollution free so that we can survive properly, we can breathe properly. Understand? Thank you.
Oh. Ah.